Aquifers are layers of underground limestone and rocks that can hold and release water like sponges. The water stored in aquifers is called groundwater, and it makes up approximately 80% of Florida's water supply. We have a model to help us understand groundwater. The model shows what a sample of Florida might look like. It incorporates surface water bodies and wells. The model also helps people understand how groundwater can become polluted, often by people's actions. You may be wondering how groundwater gets into the ground. It's all part of the water cycle. When rain falls in Florida, most of it returns to the atmosphere through evaporation and transpiration, but some soaks into the ground and recharges the aquifer. You can see the recharge area of the model. Below that, you can see a clay layer. Water does not move easily through this layer, but it does move more freely through the sandy gravel area that works like limestone rock in Florida. Limestone slowly dissolves from acidic water passing through it, producing what is called karst terrain. Much of Florida has a karst terrain, with springs, sinkholes, and underground caverns. In a spring, groundwater is naturally pushed up to the Earth's surface, exiting or discharging from underground. You can see that in this area of the model. Wells bringing water from the aquifers to the surface can also be seen at varying depths on the model. In west central Florida, there are three main aquifer systems: the surficial, the intermediate, and the Floridan aquifer system. The Floridan aquifer system is the deepest and used most for drinking water in our area. To ensure groundwater is safe for drinking, scientists regularly test it for contamination. Many materials cause our groundwater to become polluted. Let's explore them through the model. This green food coloring represents fertilizer and other pollution that's picked up by rainwater as it washes over roads, parking lots, and other hard surfaces. This is called stormwater runoff, and these pollutants wash into surface water bodies such as lakes and rivers. It may seem that groundwater and surface water bodies are separate, but they're actually interrelated, and contaminants that enter one may also find their way into the other. Human wastewater can seep into groundwater when septic tanks and drain fields aren't working properly. Surface water bodies can also be contaminated when septic systems are located too close to them. Gas stations and other businesses sometimes store hazardous liquids in underground storage tanks. If these tanks aren't inspected and maintained on a regular basis, dangerous chemicals can leak from them, enter our drinking water supply, and cause people to become sick. This color represents contamination from a sinkhole where people are illegally dumping items such as car batteries, used tires, antifreeze, and oils. Additionally, saltwater intrusion can occur. This is when surrounding saltwater moves into the aquifers, contaminating groundwater and making it unfit to drink without costly treatment. The clear water once flowing through the model is now dark and contaminated, showing how people's actions can pollute our drinking water. A few simple actions can make a huge difference in protecting Florida's groundwater. Do your part.